What's happening, everyone? JP here from Crypto Hobby. Hope you're all having a great night and a great day. Today I wanted to talk about Tron TRX. It has been in the news a lot lately. There's a lot of stuff swirling around, a lot of people talking about it. And I have a position in it, small position, but I have one in it, so I wanted to make a video and go over some points, kind of let you know what's going on. Tron TRX is an ERC20 Ethereum based token and had its ICO 2017 last year, and it's been quite interesting. So if you've been following it, there's a lot going on with it right now. Just real quick, for those that don't know, Tron is the next era of Web 4.0. So it is a Chinese-based company, project, I should say. Tron is a blockchain-based decentralized protocol that aims to construct a worldwide free content entertainment system within the blockchain. The protocol allows each user to freely publish, store, and own data, decentralized and autonomous. So it's going to have very practical utility, especially in countries like China, but in other countries as well. So let's see, if you Google it real quick, what is Tron? Justin Sun, who's the CEO of Tron, wants to position Tron as a new kind of distributed economy in digital entertainment, including anything from streaming video to online gambling to social networks. So the currency would be TRXX that runs on Tron. So that's just pretty basic for what it is. Tron, it seems like it's always in the news about something. It's always doing something. It's partnering with companies, launching things. It's got just announced that Exodus beta launch is slated for March 31st. So that's coming up. Justin Sun is actually very good about making his announcements. He's very vocal. He's on Twitter, if you don't know, and he's always putting stuff on there. So he's very passionate about this project, and you can tell when somebody's passionate about something. He is. He's announcing partnerships and new developments. The latest thing that's been swirling around is that possibly they're going to partner with Alibaba, which is Chinese, basically like a Chinese Amazon. It's an e-commerce platform where you can go and buy things just like on Amazon. And Alibaba's no joke. This is a big one. It's the world's 6th largest internet company by revenue. So 158.3 billion in revenue. This is no small company. So if they partner with Tron, you're going to see some stuff happening with this coin, with this token. So if we look at it, coin market cap actually today hasn't been too bad. It's you've seen more red right now, but earlier today there was quite a bit of green, and so the market it's in a dip right now. It's correcting itself. It's very healthy for the market to do that, and it's also a great opportunity to buy when that happens, because honestly, I got into Tron back in December. I didn't take out a huge position on it, but I got back in December, and I got it at 4 cents, and then it shot up to like 30 cents, which I'll show you in a second, and then now, you know, it's come back down. I thought when I bought it, I'll show you my sheet here, some of the coins that I own. You know, the first one on here is Tron. I've got just under about 1750 or so, and I bought them at about 4 cents. I don't put much into these. You know, I put in, maybe I start with $100, and then by the time it gets through Coinbase and Binance and all these places, you know, it comes out to less than that. But I do it for the long-term hold. So if I can buy these coins at these tokens at 4 cents and get a couple thousand of them, you know, at the time it was worth 70. You know, and then it shoots up in price, and especially when you have all these announcements of these partnerships and things, then it makes it worthwhile. And then of course I keep it in my MetaMask over here. So if you're not familiar with MetaMask, it's a very convenient little wallet that you can, it's a browser extension for Chrome, and you can just put it right on there and holds it nicely. You can lock it and it's very secure. So just taking a look at the long-term outline of Tron, you can see that it is a long-term project. So this is not something that's just a pump and dump or, you know, a hype coin. This is going to be something going on for a long time, and probably maybe will even evolve, and we'll have some other utility in other places that you know, as it goes. But you can see their map, you know, goes all the way out to 2027. So it's a long time, and you know, they're thinking about the future. They are. So come back here, you can see what it's done. It was kind of asleep here for a while, just like a lot of the altcoins, and then of course when things started happening here, and of course Bitcoin was going up there too, and then it came into the correction here, the dip, and then it's kind of going up and down here. But now, since they're starting to make these announcements, you know, I think this is all fine and good to look at the trends of how it's been going and everything, but the real value of information is in what's actually happening, you know, what these guys are doing. And they're doing a lot. You know, they're partnering. They've already partnered with quite a few companies here, which is at the bottom of their website. Their team is amazing. There's Justin's son there, and that's everything he's done. He's got an impressive resume, and the rest of the team. And if you come down here, it'll show you other partners. And then this list is going to keep growing, and as it keeps growing, the value is going to keep going up. So that's all I know to say. Now, they do have a high circulating supply, very high, but they're also talking about doing some coin burns and some other things. But you know, if you can pick them up, where is it? Go back here. If you can pick them up at 7 cents a piece, that's pretty amazing, because when I got them at 4 cents, I didn't think I got them at 4 cents, and then it shot up to 25 or 30 cents, whatever it was, and I was like, oh well, I think people probably missed their chance, because it's like it's gone. But now here it is back down where it was. You know, it was actually lower than this, and so I'd say, you know, it's a good time to jump on it. It really is. And if you want to get it on CoinMarketCap, you can just look at the markets here. I know a lot of you already know this, but there are a lot of newbies and people just starting out in cryptocurrency. That's why I go through a lot of the basics. But Binance is where I got them. But there's a lot of different places you can get them here. You can look at it and see which one you want to, which exchange you want to go on to get them. But Binance is pretty easy, and I think they're allowing new registrations now. So that's good. So as I said before, you know, when I purchase these tokens and coins, I do it for the long term. I'm not a day trader. I don't want to get them and then look at my portfolio every single day or you know, try to trade them during the day or whatever. I don't do all that. I just get them if I believe in the project and I believe in the people, and I think that they believe what they're doing, then I think it's a good investment. I think it's good. So that's it, because I want to hold them. I don't, you know, I want a year from now or 2 years from now, I want to look at them and say, yeah, that was the right thing to do. And I think that this is a solid project, and very well organized, and it's going places. So just keep your ear, if you want to, you know, get on Twitter. So definitely get on Twitter, and you'll hear, because Justin's son is always putting stuff on there about what they're doing, and he's dropping little hints about what's going on. And seems like he's friends with the CEO of Alibaba too, and they've been seen together, and you know, who knows, meetings, whatever. But you know, there's a lot of rumors. So I think it would be good. It's good because this token, you know, the whole market is correcting itself now, but when it goes, you know, to easily, I would think that if one of these things goes through $7 to $10, then it's not coming back down to 7 cents. Okay, you're just not going to see this anymore. Once one of these big partnerships, if Alibaba went through, I could see in 2018 $7 to $10. You know, and then you're just never going to see a 7 cent price again. Period. Okay. So anyway, so that's just something you gotta, you just have to realize. So I hope you all know, and I've said it in every video, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to give you professional financial advice. I'm just giving you my own opinion. I'm trying to share the information, and as I learn things, I'll continue to pass it along to you if I think it's a good opportunity. It could be ICOs, it could be lending platforms, which, yes, I still think there's opportunity there, and I don't think that they're all scams. No, I think you just have to pick them carefully. And I think in the short term, they could offer some good rewards. But all of these are risky, so I wouldn't recommend investing in any of the cryptocurrencies unless it's money that you don't, that you're not going to miss. You don't need to take your rent money or your food money and invest it in this, because that's not what this is for. So I hope you liked the video, and if you do, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. The thumbs up means a lot to help the channel out, and I'm going to continue to bring you as much information as I can get that I think will be beneficial to you, and the coins and the cryptocurrencies that I have a position in. I'll be making videos on all of those that I haven't done yet and try to get you up to date. And so I appreciate it, and hope you all have a great night. Thanks.